Imagine designing technology inspired by nature's ingenious creations. Biomimicry, a discipline at the forefront of innovation, does just that, drawing profound insights from the natural world. Take, for example, the bullet train in Japan, which owes its aerodynamic shape to the kingfisher's beak, reducing noise and energy consumption. Similarly, medical adhesives inspired by gecko feet offer remarkable adhesion without using toxic chemicals. Even self cleaning paints mimic the lotus leaf's ability to repel water and dirt. These revolutionary designs highlight nature's unparalleled efficiency and sustainability. As we evolve technologically, biomimicry reminds us of nature's brilliant blueprints, promising limitless possibilities.